province-like. So, mafe-feel mo talagang you're like in the province area. Very maliwalas. You can hear the birds chirping. Oh! Why? Takot ka? Got scared. Banotti. Ayan, si Banot-Not. Tapos may mga best friends siya dyang birds. Yeah, some birds are angry at him kasi there was a time na nung nagutom siya, wala kasing tao dito. Nakalimutang pakainin. So yan, nag-hunt siya. Nag-hunt ng bird. Palabasin mo yung mga best friends mo. You go up there. You go here. Butchie. Pakita natin yung mga best friends mong angry bird. Yeah, you go up here. Go. Woo! Because there. Yun yung mga best friends niya mamaya. Pag nakikita na siya ng mga best friends niya.